1964 Chevy Nova with this straight six. Love these six cylinders because they always said you can't kill them. Now this is a 194. I know they had like a 230 and a 194 cubic inch, 120 horse. It says it right on here. They also had a 230 and 250. They also had a 300 for the 300 cubic inch for the trucks. And I think this was originally designed around like the 194 with the in other words, the bore and stroke ratio was really designed to be around this cubic inch configuration. I think they lengthened the stroke to get them to more cubic inches, but that changed the power band. So actually, this 194 did very well in like city traffic. It's got enough torque. Well, what I like about these two, they don't have the timing chain. They got a gear set. That's to me, that's one fail point I don't like. I know the timing chain to me is way better than the timing belts they got today, but the timing chain, they used to always have, sometimes they put nylon teeth on the cam gear, and the nylon teeth would go first in the chain. And the gear set, that's a very reliable thing. I love that about the little Chevy 6-cylinders. So it's powder blue matching interior. This was the car that somebody would get that was driving to work, like a business guy or something like that, or for the family. It's got a lot of room in it, and these were hopped up too. I mean, somebody would get this car later on and take the 6-cylinder out of it and put a 327, typical 327, and put the trend, maybe a Saginaw behind the 327. The old Saginaw seemed to be pretty good, even though Muncie was better. They're cheap to get Saginaws. And the one thing is, I remember these cars going, like somebody I used to tune this car up all the time, like every year, and that thing ran great. But the problem is, the floor was so rusted out, the body was ready to crack in half. That's really what happened to most of these cars. They got rusted out so damn bad in the winters. Because most people, the biggest population concentration is up in the Northeast, so that's really where a lot of cars are sold, brand new too. I mean, California too, but Northeast, United States, and that's the salt kills all these old cars. If they would have zinced them or put cosmoline treatment on the floorboards, at least the bottom part for the factory. They're designed to throw them away, get new ones. But these cars, if they didn't rust, you'd probably see the vast majority of them on the road today. Very simple to fix. So I think this had it's automatic, probably a Power Glide. Power Glide's 2-speed automatic, which is actually a very, very simple but very, very durable transmission. So, and the firing order is easy to remember: 153624, 153624. If you put the spark plugs in here, so you know what firing order to do. So, tires aren't that much money because they're a little bit smaller. It's also got the rally type wheel covers on there with the triple chrome ring. I always like those. The Chevy standard.